Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Monday morning, 7/12/2010 earnings kickoff with Alcoa that starts it off after the closing bell today. And basically what we want everyone to know is that as small of a little company it is, it's the impact that it has on the futures market after hours or whatever. If they miss and they guide down, then our futures tend to go lower and gap down lower the next morning. That's been one of the behaviors. It's a very underperforming stock. We never really pay attention to it. We look at where, it lies within the world it deals in, and around the what people really look at in Alcoa is what's it doing around the world, what kind of money is it making, lots of various different other factors I'm not going to go into right now. Tonight will be where we start with Alcoa. Another one this week on earnings SMF is that we've been buying Google all last week. It's on our website. Go find the trades. They happen to be there. Not only that, we pointed out the imbalances and why we had to get net long the name and then selling into moves. And it reports earnings on Thursday, which will be July 15th, year 2010. And basically there's some great news on Google as far as I'm concerned. Yes, maybe the earnings cycle is going to be slowing down for a lot of things because people are looking at what's going to be happening around the world. And another thing they're going to be looking at in the earnings season is the simple fact that we start here, internet, commodity type related name here, and basically this internet sector and where these earnings are and where the searches are. Look, we've hit a soft spot in the economy. What that means is that we had all of those stimuluses that the government injected at your taxpayer dollar expenses, because we know that that's the truth. So let us not be denial of what has transpired in other regulatory agencies within the United States structure. And some of those decisions that they have made to run deficits to all-time record highs is what it is. They took that money, they put that stimulus in the economy, but what happens is about a year or so, because it takes a while for stimuluses to work, but then they gradually peak out within the stimulus cycle. So if you pull stimulus out and you pay down deficit to go lower, naturally your earnings and your forward-looking GDP is going to be lower because of lower growth. Sustainable lower growth is never a bad thing either, folks, within the way that this economy is. However, you'll have to go to SMF, Eye on the Economy, on Saturday mornings, and we'll be happy to spend an hour with you there. Google's earnings are coming. It's an options expiration week. It will be brutal. However, the lower end at the wholesale bid is where we'll be buying and selling back. The Chinese have come out and approved their application. And we had that $20 gap last week. Earnings season kickoff 2010. Here it is. 5:48 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Options expiration. We are in it. Welcome to stockmarketfunding.com. If I were you, I would stay tuned looking for any new updates, because we will be running our after-hour trading videos to empower you in an earnings season.